up, YouTube? We got the 2025 Volkswagen Jetta, that nice clean blue. Shout out to Volkswagen and Toyota for the new clean colors that are out. Right here you got the tab, push that in, lift the hood. Right on the bottom, look to the left, you'll have your hood support bar, pop that in. That's the oil fill. But let's go ahead and jump under the car where the action's at. We'll get to moving. Now, I'm pretty sure it was a Torx 10 to get these little bolts off. My bad, I don't remember. This is a couple cars ago. But if anything, it's a Torx 15, but I'm pretty sure Torx 10. You're going to want to go around the border of this splash guard, get all of that off. You're going to have about, again, 16 of those bolts. And you don't have to do the ones connected to the bumper. So keep in mind there's 2 rows right here. You just need the ones on the splash guard side. That'll save you a little bit of time. Once you get those off, in the very back you're going to see there's 2 21mm kind of plastic bolts. You want a little bit of downward force as you're loosening them. They have this little weird like 2 keyway clip end, and it'll just spin in circles if you don't have a little bit of kind of force pushing down on that thing as you loosen that bolt. If you do that, it'll come out pretty easy. Once you get that done, you're going to be pretty much on the downhill slope. Not much left but draining, filling it back up, making sure everything's plugged up correctly. So from here you'll see they have it lined up nice. Volkswagen hooked this up with the drain bolt right next to the oil filter, which makes it real easy. So we'll get both of these popped off. Got 19mm on this side. Once we get that drained out, we'll get everything put back on, get it filled up, and then we'll reset that oil light. I do have a video for that, so just take a look at the channel and you can see where that's at. It's pretty easy. Won't take too long. So from here we're going to get these twisted off, get everything drained out. And again, at this point you're under the car. This is a good time to take a look around, see if you see anything that's out of place. This is a brand new vehicle, so if you see anything leaking, it should stand out right away. Should be pretty easy to do a quick, eyeball inspection while you're underneath the vehicle. Get that done while it's draining. Pop everything back on, and then here we go. Synthetic filter. It should be black. If it's synthetic oil and you're buying it from AutoZone, that's STP. You can clearly see it should be the black one. So get the products you need, spend that little bit of money, save on the wear and tear by using the right products. And no, this isn't sponsored, but I know they're products. Back at it, we're just going to get this cranked on, get it nice and tight. We only hand tighten the oil filter. You don't need to torque that thing down, and that's it. Fill it up, cap it off, and again, watch that video. It'll show you how to get it.